Morning everyone. I am Soumya Trivedi from grade 3 and I am here to present our assembly. So kindly stand up for our school prayer followed by our school anthem.
Oh God, guide me, protect me, light the lamp of my heart, make me a brilliant star.
Thou art the mighty and the powerful.
तुंड महाकार्य सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु
Let the birds of the seven isles blossom of tomorrow, spreading an aroma
around the seven seas and beyond boundaries.
Let us pay respect to our parent teachers and the earth that bear us.
Us dedicate ourselves for a better world, respecting all our lives that they share the earth with us.
Let us spread the light of love in every sphere of life with no harm to anything or anyone.
Let us pray for the perfection, for a global well-being, leading to a world where truth reigns supreme.
To be a lifter, not to be a learner, to make a life a success and bring glory for SIIS, 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 SIIS.
Good morning, everyone. Thomas Edison once said, "Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up." With that, I would like to introduce the theme for today, and that is perseverance. Perseverance means to do something continuously in spite of all the obstacles. Perseverance is the desperation to move ahead. It is the desperation to be successful. No one who has achieved the level of achievement has avoided failures. But they learn from their mistakes. They just don't quit. The key here is what we do. Do we come out defeated, giving up on our dreams? Or do we come out with new passion, a new fire? Don't just go through it, grow through it. Remember, there is no gain without any pain. Perseverance keeps us excited about new opportunities and new challenges in front of us. Now I request my friend Fiona to throw more light on the theme. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend Marie. Once Franklin D. Roosevelt said, "When you come to the end of your rope, you tie a knot and hang on." Perseverance is a continuous study to achieve your aim. You can't achieve success without perseverance. A simple example of perseverance would be a child. A child falls many times when he learns to walk for the first time, but with constant perseverance, child learns to walk. Once Thomas Edison was asked about his failure during invention of light bulb, he said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. I invented 1,000 ways by which light bulb would not work." It was his perseverance that he failed so many times, but still continued and finally was successful in his life. Therefore, perseverance must be practiced from very childhood so that the noble habit becomes part of one's life. Thank you.
Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. Henry Ford, before founding the extremely successful Ford Motor Company, Henry Ford was previously bankrupted and left penniless 5 times from failed ventures. Thomas Edison, considered unteachable as a youth, The inventor changed the world with his invention of an electric light bulb. Although the name Einstein is now almost exclusively associated with genius, young Albert was not viewed as much of a prospective scholar. He was expelled from school and denied entry to Zurich Polytechnic School.
Mr. Disney was fired from his first job at the Kansas City because he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. Years later, the Walt Disney Company acquired Kansas City Star with the purchase of parent company ABC.
Steven Spielberg. After high school, Steven Spielberg was rejected 3 times from University of Southern California School of Theatre, Film and Television. After attending California State University, he subsequently dropped out and pursued directing without a degree.
I, Arohi Mohanty, am here before you to narrate a story on perseverance, the king, Bruce and the spider. Once upon a time there lived an able king in Scotland. His name was Robert Bruce. He fought many battles. Once he was defeated by a cruel king. He ran away from the battlefield. He hid himself into a cave situated in a big forest. There was a spider in that cave. It was trying to reach the roof of the cave. It failed again and again. After every fall, the spider tried again. It kept on persevering till it reaches its web. The spider taught King Bruce a great lesson. It filled him with new hopes and courage. He came out of the cave and gathered his forces. This time he fought bravely. He was successful in making his country free. Thank you.
Let's get to it. Maybe we can do it. Yet. Let's get to it. Maybe we can do it. Yet. It may be hard, but if I work tough and keep on going, pretty soon sure enough, I should be able to say, hooray! I can do it. Ooh. Should I give up or keep on going? Whenever something tricky, my mind starts growing. Each time I feel, I discover something new. So I better keep on trying, cause I am learning when I do. Let's get to it. Maybe we can do it. Yet. Let's get to it. Maybe we can do it. Yet. It may be hard, but if I work tough and keep on going, pretty soon sure enough, I should be able to say, hooray! I can do it. Ooh. Should I give up or change my mindset? The more that I practice, the better I get. The choice is here, no one can do it but you. So you better just get started shouting, I will say it true. Let's get through it. Maybe we can do it. Yet. Let's get to it. Maybe we can do it. Yet. Should I give up? Keep on going. Whenever something's tricky, my mind starts growing. Each time I fail, I discover something new. So I better keep on trying, cause I'm learning when I do. Let's get to it. Maybe we can do it. Yet. It may be hard, but if I work tough, keep on going, pretty soon sure enough, I should be able to say, hooray! I can do it. Ooh. I give up. Change my mindset. The more than I practice, the better I get. The choice is yours. No one can do it but you. So I better keep on trying. Start it. I will see it through. Let's get to it. Maybe we can do it. Yet. It may be hard, but if I work tough, keep on going, pretty soon sure enough, I should be able to say, hooray! I can do it! Ooh, thank you. Now I request our principal sir to speak a few lines about our assembly.
Good morning, dear parents. And this is about the assembly of grade 3. They have prepared the assembly in the theme called perseverance. So, good topic. At a very young age, in the tiny minds, we have to sow the seed so it will grow as a bigger tree for them in the future, because they should always see the output, what we have planned, and then work according to that, remove the obstacles, and they should never give up. So this kind of an attitude will be developed in the young minds. The assembly is done well. Lot of preparation has gone into that. I appreciate both the teacher as well as the parents. And the examination, term on examination will be coming from the 13th of October. I request all the students to take this exam seriously, prepare well, study well, and you should do the examination well. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जनसित रंगा तब शुभ नामे जाहे तब शुभ आशीष माहे गाहे तब जय गाथा
जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य